Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a phenomenal day today, and today I'm excited because we're doing another Is It Really? I know we're doing a lot of these, but it's been a hot minute since we actually have done these because I feel like we haven't really done them since like Christmas. I think. I might be wrong. I think we've probably done a few in between. We haven't done as much as we have been in the past, but they've had a lot of new sets at Sephora, and I love doing these because I love doing math, and it's really fun, even though Sissy has been taking the math from me right now because she's been doing my notes. Because she's the best and she does notes for me. You guys, I don't think really see, do you guys even see notes? But today I'm excited because we're going to do the Sephora favorites. Give me some, I can't talk. The Sephora favorites, give me some Shine Lip Set. I hate that name. It's like a weird tongue.
This one was requested by Ashlyn Nura. This is for you.
Thank you, Ashlyn. I love it. If you guys ever have a request for a video, make sure you put it in the description below. We do see all the comments, and we do try to do as many videos as people would request. So, I don't think we've ever not been able to do a request. I don't think so. No, I take that back. I think there was one because the set became unavailable after they requested because it was like a really hot set. But yes, let's talk about this one. If you're unfamiliar with the segment I do, basically I'm going to break down all the items inside the set so you can see what they are actually worth, so you can see if the value of the set is truly the value of the set, or if it will be a value to you. So this lip set, I feel like all the Sephora lip sets, I might be wrong, except for the big one that they've done at Christmas time, have been $28. But this set is supposed to be worth $74. We'll see. So the description on this set that Sephora has given, I'm pulling this directly off the Sephora website, so if there's a typo on here, I get to laugh. It's fun. What is in this set? It's a set of 6 lip products that leave a high shine finish, including a full-size Anastasia and an INC. Is that how they pronounce themselves? Is it INC? Yes. What the fuck? Oh no, Incredible. Incredible.
Something. That
is their name, Incredible. I don't like it. Lip products. Oh, that's fun. Alright, and so what else you need to know? This set includes a variety of lip balms, lip glosses for your everyday go-to lip look. You'll find full sizes of Anastasia Beverly Hills and Incredible Jelly Shots, as well as deluxe sizes of Yves, Laurent, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, Too Faced, and I'm paraphrasing some of this, and Fresh Sugar Advanced Lipstick. This is literally just saying what's in them. That's very boring. You're literally about to look at it all in a second. Let's get into what the set actually includes. So the first item in here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and is their lip gloss in Venus. And what are you looking for?
My cell phone.
I stole your cell phone. No, I didn't. Does anyone else do that? They lose their cell. I lose my cell phone and it'll be in my hand. I'm really notorious for that. I'll be like, I can't find my phone's on the charger. I'll be like, I can't find my phone. I don't know where it is. I haven't been so bad as I call on my cell phone. Like I call someone like I can't find my phone. So yes, back into this. Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Venus. It says that it's supposed to be a dazzling gold and pink reflective sparkle. Ooh. I don't think I have that particular shade, but I do have some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a Steeler one. That is not Anastasia. I think I have it. I think it's actually in my purse right now. I think it might be in my purse. I really do like the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. I don't like a whole lot of lip glosses because I hate that like sticky, tacky, like when you open them up they make that popping, disgusting, slimy sound. I hate it. I hate it so much. I hate when your hair gets caught in it, and it's disgusting. But these particular ones, they just feel really nice and smooth and silky, and I love them. This one is full size. It's a 0.16 ounce, and it has a $16 value because it's full size. Fun times. And fluffy rainbows there. Next item in here is from Fresh Sugar. Advanced Lip Therapy Treatment in the shade Translucent. I'm glad they included a different shade. For the longest time, all the Sephora Favorites lip sets included the shade Rose, right? It was Rose. And it got really tiring because I swear we have like a dozen of them from different lip sets. They're not bad. I just wish there was more variety. That's just a personal opinion on that one. So I like that they did include the shade Translucent in here. It's a 0.07 ounce and he's worth $12.13. They are really nice and hydrating. I also like that most of them, I don't believe the Advanced Therapy does, but most of Fresh's has SPF in it, but I can't say for sure on this one. I don't believe the Advanced Therapies do. Don't believe so. Someone tell me in the comments, do you know? Next in here is from Incredible. That so much. I love puns. I don't like this pun though. It is their Jelly Shot in X Revenge. What the fudge does that mean? Ex-Revenge. It's a luxurious 24 karat gold with a subtle glow. It is a full size, the 0.15 ounce, which is a relatively good size, but it only has a $10 value. It's not bad. It's just, it's not like the best value. It's not the most, it's not one of the higher end brands that Sephora has, so naturally it's not going to have a higher price tags or higher savings. I've not tried this particular brand. I'm not even really sure what Jelly Shot is. I don't know how I feel about that.
It's just the shade.
It's just
clear.
Wait, the shade is Ex-Revenge. The product is called the Jelly Shot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Next item is from Tarte. It's the Rainforest, the CH2O lip gloss in the Sage Sundress, which is a nice peachy nude. It's a 0.033 ounce, which is the standard size that Tarte gives when they do minis of their lipsticks. And he is worth $4.64. I have tried the H2O from Tarte. They're the same thing as the Anastasia. They're not really tacky feeling. They're just really nice and smooth and give you a nice pretty shine without feeling like you're back in like elementary school with Lip Smackers lip gloss. Does anyone else remember those? Like, next is from Too Faced. It is their lip, I can't talk, guys. Lip Injection Extreme in the shade Clear. I love that they put clear on there twice. Literally parentheses clear because they put like parentheses on what the shade looks like. That's really funny. But it is a 0.05 ounce. And it has a value of $10. They do sell this particular mini size. I always give that a warning to the boys. If you see a set and they have a mini in the set that they sell inside the stores, that's normally a big red flag that the set is not going to have the value that they're putting on the box, because brands can do whatever they want. They can make any decision on how much they want to charge for the product. It's completely on them and there's no control over it. So they actually sell, Too Faced sells this particular product, even though it's only worth $10 based on its full-size sister. They sell it for $14. So fun times of fluffy rainbows. I have tried the lip injections only once. I don't particularly like them. I'm not really big into the plumping products for your lips, but to each their own. And then the last product on here is from Yves Saint Laurent. What on earth was that? It's from Yves Saint Laurent. It is their Volupté. Is that what it is? Volupté? As I pass it off. Sissy speaks French, so...
Volupté?
Volupté?
Was that more in a Spanish accent than a French accent? Sorry, I'm not feeling well, guys.
Sorry.
I have a cough.
But it's their Volupté Liquid Color Balm in the shade 12 Chase Me Nude. Do I have one next to me? I don't think I have it with me right now. I think I might have taken it upstairs into another room. I'm like trying to look around my desk. If only you guys could see the travesty. Actually, we did show the travesty, I think, in one of the,
We did. I think it was the first one.
I think it was, yeah, I think you're right. I think it was the first one of me showing, like, me going through the beauty room. I'm literally not saying it.
We'll continue in that series.
We'll be continuing that series. But I did show my desk once because my desk always looks like a,
hot mess.
A hot mess. And that's it looks like I threw up all my makeup products on it. It is not cute. But the last product, yes, is from Yves Saint Laurent, and it is their Color Balm shade 12 Chase Me Nude, which is supposed to be a warm neutral. It's a 0.08 ounce and it is worth $12.80. I don't have that particular shade. I actually have a much warmer pink shade. I wish I had it with me and I wish I remembered the shade number. But I really like it because it's a really nice smooth balm, but it has a load of color in it. So it's like a beautiful tinted lip balm. I love, 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 love it. So that is it for the set. So again, reminder, the set was $28 and it was supposed to have a value of $74, but did it? It didn't. The total value of the set was actually $65.57, which isn't that bad in being off. But with these lip sets, they're normally a lot higher value than this particular one. I swear they're always predicting in more of the 80 range versus the 70 range. But it was only off by $8.43, which isn't too bad, and you still get a 57% savings. Now, whether you will get a 50% savings is depending on you if you're actually going to use all the products, so that's completely up to you. But that is it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to get notifications on my videos get uploaded, make sure you hit the little notification bell. And if you want to follow my different forms of social media, there will be a link in the description below for that. That's it for this video, guys. Stay foxy.